BrandRoomMates. ColorJessie. Item dimensions LxWxH18 by 5 by 0.01 inches. Surface recommendation wall. Room type bedroom. MaterialPlastic. Plastic. Made in the USA. Assembled size 26 inches wide by 46 inches tall. Easy to apply, just peel and stick. Applies to any smooth surface. Removable and repositionable with no sticky residue. Jessie, Toy Story 3's yodeling cowgirl, is finally here in decal form. Add this great giant wall decal to any Toy Story fan's bedroom with ease. Applying is easy, just peel stick. Perfectly paired with our Buzz and Woody decals, or great as a solo act in a little girl's bedroom. You're sure to love the statement this sticker makes on your wall. Since 2006, RoomMates, the world's largest manufacturer of peel and stick decorative products, has enabled consumers across the globe to transform their walls and other room accessories quickly, effortlessly and affordably. RoomMates offers the largest, most varied, and we like to think, coolest, selection of wall decals and peel stick wallpapers that install, reposition and remove in seconds without ever leaving any sticky residue or damage to the surface. Our Peel Stick StickTiles enable you to create a backsplash in minutes, giving you the opportunity for a fun, fast, easy and always great-looking room accessory makeover. Just peel, stick, done. Turn an ordinary space, furniture or accessory into anything but ordinary with RoomMates. Top reviews from the United States. Great for party decor. I love using these for party decor. Easy to stick up both on wax and glass. Peeled off easily once we were done with the party and repositioned nicely when we moved onto a different wall. Super happy with my purchase.